Hello there. My prediction for now will be for the last week of April for all zodiac signs. Aries. Socially, it will be a great time, so go out there, mingle, and have fun. There will be a lot of changes taking place around you, and some of them will call for the expiry of certain matters in order to bring on new interests. It may not be comfortable, but it is a must. Your health will be stressed out due to the new pressure and temperaments of the time. So do whatever you can to take it easy. Taurus. Work matters are fantastic, so you might get something good, promotion, new interest, new contract. You might have something good going. Socially, you have the rightful friends, old, new, and different gatherings to enjoy yourself. So go all out. But you might hear some trouble news concerning a passing away, or a complication that needs final settlement. Gemini. Travel is fantastic, so if you want to travel, go places, meet with foreign people, pick up new study, pick up new communication abroad. Beautiful. Work-wise, there are plenty going on the scene, so you will have great opportunities. So tune in to good work prospects and interests that are coming up. And in regards to group activities, it will be fun and a joyful period. And friends have a lot to contribute on ideas. Cancer. Changes are expected, so anything to do with loans, credit, and wanting to move in new direction, coming into new resources, fantastic. Travel is good, so if you want to upgrade, improve, find new ideas, go up for new learnings, beautiful. Work activities are also on the better. So you are going to get a lot of contribution by colleagues and people that you have to work with. So look into new policies and possibilities. Leo. Partnership is going to work out pretty good. There will be special understanding and even new bonded interests. Financially, you will be on the improve, able to tap in new resources or even gain new financial threshold of interest. Travel will be fantastic, so if you want to travel, any connection with those from afar, and any feedback and knowledge from those higher up will be to your interest. Virgo. Health will be a bit of a trouble, so don't overstress yourself. Do what is necessary, what is possible, and hold on to those interests. Partnership will be good because your close one, dear one, loved ones, or even business partner will be supportive at this time. Changes is fantastic. So if you have new ideas of working with changes and anything to do with financial improvement and new tapping of resources, work on them now. Libra. Anything to do with children, social activities, new ideas, fantastic. But your health will be a big trouble, so don't overstress yourself and make sure that you have good exercise and great diet. Partnership will be wonderful, your loved one, close one, dear one, will be very interesting with their own activities. and there can be a joint interest. Scorpio. Any changes in the home, improvement or family activities will show up light of interest, and there could be happy occasions. Social life will be fine, and you'll have new ideas bonding with children and friends and social activities. But your health will need a little check. And don't let your underling sort of depress you. If someone has a problem, don't make it yours. Try to understand the problem and move on. Sagittarius. Communication, travel to the region, short trips, fantastic. You want to improve on your vehicle? Why not? Home, family, domestic affairs will now be more exciting and a lot of contribution of ideas. Friends will be encouraging, and you will be able to tap into their ideas and resources and make life exciting and challenging. Capricorn. Financially, there is a bigger perk up at this period, and you could come into money. Your position and possession has the opportunity for better stability. Communication is good, so if you have ideas, communication would be wonderful. If you want to make trips uptown, upstate, things will be very exciting with new ideas pouring in. Home, family will be great. So happiness in unity and some upcoming occasion, probably a lot of invites and celebration. Aquarius. Personally, this is a challenging time for new interests and looking forward and onward. Trust in yourself, keep the faith, and you have good things going. Financially, there's a lot of gains around this period, so you'll be able to make yourself a good bundle. So keep the listening ear open. Communication is wonderful, so contact, relationship, newsletters, and all forms of communication is well encouraged. Pisces. You have to lose some to gain some, so if certain matters are at its ending, accept the fact. Personally, there is a new beginning. So you will like a new interest, start something new, do something different, and there is that fight and challenge in you, so encourage it. Financially, you will do pretty good at the end of this period, and it do show. So take some opportunities as they arise and look into new possibilities. I thank you for viewing this video. My name is Roy Ratty from the Royal Astrologist.